Good morning, students. In last video, we have saw that the violets began to bloom among their little leaves because of March month. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire, and the flowers began to bud, and the ground the ground was full of the violets, and it was looking like blue cloth spread out on the ground. So we have seen in the last video these all. So in this video we are going to see what happened to Maricula. Did she picked the flowers joyfully, or something else will happen? We are going to see in this video. Okay. Now Now pick them quickly, Moricula commanded March. Okay, March said to Moricula to pick the violets quickly. Moricula picked them joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked Mons with all her heart and scampered merrily home. Okay, means Moricula picked the violets joyfully, means happily, and and she had a big bunch, means उसके पास बहुत बड़ा बंच तैयार हो गया था उन फ्लावर्स का. उसके बाद देन शी थैंक्ड मंथ्स, मीन्स एवरी मंथ, ऑल द 12 months, with all her hearts, and scampered a quick light run merely to home happily, means she take a quick light run, means she was running towards her home because she has picked the violets and thanked them, thanked all the 12 months. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Moricula bringing the violets. The Helena and stepmother was wondering because uh, in January month, that is the cold season, and we can see that is the winter season, how she will get the violets flower that are of the spring season, or in the March months they come, uh, they they come or they begin to bud. So they are wondering how she got the violets that are bloom in the March month. So they opened the door to her and sent the violets filled all the cottage. Okay, means they opened the door for her, not for her, for the violets, and they sent the violets, means उन लोगों ने वो violets फूलों को सूंघा and filled all the cottage, means उन्होंने वो पूरा कॉटेज उन फ्लावर्स से सजा लिया. वेयर डिड यू गेट देम, आस्क हॉलेना स्लकीली. ओके, तुझे वो फ्लावर्स कहाँ से मिले? आस्क हॉलेना स्लकीली, मीन्स हर स्टेप सिस्टर मॉलिक्यूलर स्टेप सिस्टर आस्क टू हर वेयर डिड यू गेट देम, to express anger and remaining anger by remaining silent. Okay, means luckily means to express her anger remaining silent. They are growing under the bushes in the forest on the high mountains, said. They are growing under the bushes in the forest on the high mountains. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Her sister means Moricula had bring the all the flowers, and Helena did not give her a single flower even. So Helena snatch means Helena to pull out something without permission. Helena pulled out the flowers from her sister and didn't give a single one to her sister. The next day she called her sister and said, "Go, Moricula, and get me some strawberries from the forest." First day she threw her out, her means her mother and stepmother and stepsister throw her out and thrown her out and sent her to bring some violets in the winter season, and now they are asking for strawberries in the summer season. Okay, the season has changed because of the 12 months had help Moricula for taking violets at home. They have changed the season, and after that in March season they are asking for strawberries. तो अब वो स्ट्रॉबेरीज कहाँ से लाएगी? पहले उसको वॉयलेट्स चाहिए थे उसकी स्टेप सिस्टर को, तो उसने उसने 12 मंथ्स की हेल्प लेके सीज़न चेंज करके और वॉयलेट्स ला दिए। और अब उनको मार्च के सीज़न में जहाँ वॉयलेट्स मिलते हैं, जहाँ सारे फ्लावर्स वगैरह आते हैं, उस सीज़न में उनको स्ट्रॉबेरीज चाहिए। Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? Said Moricula. How dare you argue? Go at once and get me strawberries, or I will kill you. The stepmother caught hold of Moricula and pushed her out of the door and shut it after. Moricula said, "Dear sister, अब इतनी विंटर में मीन्स एक दिन के लिए उन्होंने मार्च सीजन किया था और उसके बाद फिर से विंटर सीजन हो गया, अब इतनी विंटर में वो स्ट्रॉबेरीज कहाँ से लाएगी?" Said Moricula. How dare you? Again they are abusing her. How dare you? Go and bring me strawberries, otherwise I will kill you. They are again threatening her. The stepmother caught hold Moricula and pushed her out the door and shut it after her. Again they are doing bad behavior with her. Moricula went to the forest weeping bitterly. Again she is weeping, again she is crying bitterly, and the snow was laying deep, and there was wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. Again the same scene is there. Again there is no human in the forest. There is only snow, and there is also not only footprint any seen by anywhere. She wandered about long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Again she is hungry and trembling with cold. She is shivering. At last she saw the light she had seen in other day. Overjoyed she went towards it. She came through the great fire with the 12 months sitting round. Again the 12 stones were there round the fire, and again 12 months were sitting round the fire. Please, kind sir, let me warm my hands at the fire. Again, she is asking for warming her hands at the fire. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come again, and what are you looking for here?" "I am looking for strawberries," said Moricula. "My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me, commanded me. Bade means commanded me. ब्रिंग सम स्ट्रॉबेरीज." कमांडेड मीन उन लोगों ने ऐसा हुक्म दिया है या फिर ऐसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं उनको कि स्ट्रॉबेरीज ब्रिंग देम सम स्ट्रॉबेरीज, एंड इफ आई डोंट दे विल किल मी. टेल मी फादर्स, टेल मी प्लीज वेयर आई कैन फाइंड देम. अब वो फिर से उन मंथ्स को पूछ रही है जैसे उसने पहले वॉयलेट्स के लिए पूछा था कि where I can find the violet flower in this winter season. So again she is asking to them where I can find strawberries in this winter season. Great January arose and went over the month sitting opposite to him. It was June. Okay. So Great January arose means Great January खड़ा हो गया और कौन से मंथ के पास चला गया? जून के पास. He was sitting opposite to him and handed the club to him and saying, "Brother, take the high seat." Means अब सीट किसके पास जा रही थी? जून के पास. हायर सीट जून के पास जा रही थी. June took the high seat upon the stone and swaying the club over the fire shot up. Up the club means the stick, the heavy stick used as weapon. He waved that weapon, or we can say the stick, on the fire, and fire shot up, and its heat melt and snow the heat melted the snow in that moment, means सारी snow melt हो गई. The ground was all green and the trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing. The forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer season. In June, we all know that is the main summer season. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. Okay, the ground under the bushes was filled with all kinds of the ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. Okay, and means the white flowers. Starlets here means the white flowers. The starry blossom looking like stars means blossoms, the flowers which would turn into fruits, and they were looking like stars. Okay, starry blossoms means the flowers which would turn into the fruits. They were looking like stars, were turning into strawberries every minute. Okay, means we all know that the strawberries are made out of the flower, so they were looking like starry blossom, and at the minute in the minute just in the minute they were developing, or they were turning into strawberries every minute. Ripened at once they ripened at once, and before Maricula had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked like though red carpet had been spread on the ground. First, in the first day, means in the last day, yesterday, the ground was looking like blue carpet, and in that day, means the Moricula wants strawberries for her sister. The ground was full of the strawberries, and that was looking like red carpet. Okay, red carpet had been spread on the ground. Pick them at once, Moricula commanded June. The June was saying to Moricula to pick them up. Okay, so this was the story till this, and tomorrow we are going to see that is again the fourth, the third and the fourth page of this story. So today we have seen that Moricula is again into the jungle for getting strawberries for her stepmother and stepsister, and the month June is helping her out. For in the first day, the March month was helping Moricula, and today June month is helping Moricula. Thank you. So today's homework is to write hard words down.